Before starting a section, we should have Guru Namaskara. That means we should give respect to the Gurus. Can we start with Guru Namaskaram? Ready? Start. Takka dimmi, 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 takka dimmi. Hi, good wishes to everyone. This is Bharata Kalalaya. Today we are going to start a recap section from Dhyana Slogam. I hope you might be in practice last week. Can we have a look on it? Dhyana Slogam? Yes, let's start now. Angikam Bhuvanam Yashya Vachikam Sharva Manmayam Agaryam Chandra Taradi Tvam Numas Shatvikam Shivam. Dear children, you please keep on practicing at home by seeing this video. Okay, I hope you will practice this part. Dear children, today in recap section we are again going to learn Tattadavu. We mentioned Adavus should be practiced in 3 columns. First speed, second speed and third speed. I hope you might be in practice Tattadavu in 3 columns. Yes? Can we have a look on it now? Now, Tattadavu. It consists of 8 varieties and varieties of step. First step we need to do in first speed. Okay? First step, 1 beat for 1 leg. Can we do now? Ready? Start. Talank takadik takatadinkinatum tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay. Now second speed. Tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay. Now third speed. Tay ya tay 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 tay ya tay. Now can we move for second step? 2 beats for 1 leg. Can we do now? Let's start. Ready? Can we start now? Yes. Talank takadik takatadinkitatum tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay. Second speed now. Tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay tay ya tay. Third speed now. Tay ya tay 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 tay ya tay. Now let's we see on third step. In third step 3 beats for 1 leg. Okay, can we do now? Come on, let's see. Ready? Are you ready? Talank takadik takatadinkitatum tay tay tam tay tay tam tay tay tam tay tei, tam. Second speed now. Tei, tei, tam. Tei, tei, tam. Tei, tei, tam. Tei, tei, tam. Third speed. Tei, tei, tam. 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 Okay? Now, fourth step. Can we move for fourth step? In fourth step, 4 beats for one leg. Can we do now? Let's start. Ready? Talank taka dik taka tadink tatom. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Now, second speed. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Tei, 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 tam. Now, third speed. Tei, 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 tam. 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 Now, fifth step. In fifth step, 5 beats for one leg. First 2 beats should be slow and last 3 beats speed. How we should do means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we do now? Let's start. Ready? Tei, 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 tam. 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 Now second speed. Tei, 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 tam. 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 The as same way you should do in third speed also. Okay? Hi kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Kudithu Mettadavu. This means you should sit in half mandi, a jump, then tattu in both legs. First, this should be practiced in 3 different speeds with different mudras. Okay? Can we go for it? Now, first, can we start by leg, then with mudras? Now, Kudithu Mettadavu leg work exercise right now. Can we do now? Now, we should jump for Thai, then Hath we should beat our both leg. Can we do now? Yes, let's start. Talank taka dik taka tadink tatom. Tei, Hath, tei, hi. 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 Tei, hat, tei, he. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you might understand this. Now, can we move for the first step in Kudithu Mettadavu? In Kudithu Mettadavu, the hand position should be in Natya Aramam with Kataka Mukha position. While the finger is in Kataka Mukha position, it should be twisted as Alapadmam. For example, 1, 2 in Kataka Mukha position, 3, 4 in Alapadma position. And while your hand is in Natya Aramam, it should comes towards your chest in Alapadma position. And your body should be bent towards the left side. While doing for right side, it should bend toward the right side. While doing towards the left side, it should be bent towards the left side. This is the position for first step. Can we do now? Talank taka dik taka tadink tatom tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei he. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second speed. Tei hat tei he 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 tei hat tei he. This should be continue as third speed. Now third speed. Tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei tei hat tei he 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 tei hat tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei he tei hat tei he. I hope you might understand this. For class, we should do Guru Namaskaram. This should be do in regularly when we start a class and when we end the class. This should be in regular. Can we start now? Ready? Takka dimmi 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 takka dimmi.